Okay. Bigfoot is human-like creature. Bigfoot kaki besar, human-like, human-like. Seperti manusia, membuat kreatur human-like. Kaki besar, human-like. Manusia seperti membuat report 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 reportedly living in the Pacific Northwest. Bigfoot seperti manusia memindahkan Pacific Northwest. Bigfoot's things have been noted most often in the mountainous area of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington in the United States. The creature has also been spotted numerous times in British Columbia in Canada, where it's known as Squatch. Bigfoot sightings have been noted most often in the mountainous area of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington in the United States. The creature has also been spotted berbintik numerous times in British Columbia in Canada, where it's known as Squatch, di mana kita ketahui sebagai Squatch. Bigfoot itu human-like. Bigfoot is human-like creature membuat reportedly living in the Pacific Northwest. Bigfoot sightings have been reported most often in the mountainous area of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington. The creator described my witness membuat dideskripsikan oleh witness saksi itu kesaksian tell my human standard measuring rata-rata 7-10 kaki 2 atau 30 meter in height in December and it with it resemble mirip kayak app dengan tik 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 atau bel thick powerful fur-covered arms and short strong neck. However, its manner of walking erect more like that Homo sapiens. Walaupun there have been hundreds of reported sightings of Bigfoot, most experts have not seen enough evidence to be convinced. Fakta mendukung meyakinkan itu eksisnya. The faktanya bahwa purported mengaku evidensi fakta-fakta setelah proven ternyata menjamin membuktikan fact may have served to distract other more credible information. Which of the following best states the topic of the passage? Topic sequence description. Kalau dilihat sih, Bigfoot is human-like creature reportedly living in the Pacific. Tapi kayak jelasin a description. The word noted in line 2 itu noted di line 2 oh iya sih. Oke. Ini line 2 iki lawan katane noted.
Ini ya.
Mencatat kayak ini deh, written in letter. Is simply mendefinisikan bahwa patient with food will probably not like to live. In the creator described witness will cover it origin in mountains area people dimana creator reportedly living in the Pacific. Dilaporkan pernah nih Pacific Northwest. Nah, itu dicatat as often in mountains area of Northern California. Kan di mountains. Kan yang kini mau omongin yang gone origin. Oh, Northern California origin iya. Washington in Washington in the United States. On mountain area juga iya bilang in the Pacific Northwest. Oh iya berarti gitu. Which the following is not true about the breakfast. Benar. The arms with the fur. Arms fur. Yeah, it's short naked strong, bukan short. It's short. Arms. Tapi tidak ngomong itu. It work like ada. According on the passage, how do experts feel about the evidence concerning Bigfoot instance? Menurut dari bacaan di sini, bagaimana sih expert perasaan the evidence, fakta-fakta? Reporter sittings not seen, tidak melihat yakini ekses. Will ketika bat eagle elang berarti tapi apa BALD buta elang buta gimana sih enggak tahu. It's one national symbol of United States, but eagle is not the only one. Uncle Sam ini paman Sam bearded berjenggot gentleman costume in the red, white and blue star and stripe of the national flag is another well-known sebagai simbol nasional. Menurut legendanya, karakter ini berdasarkan Samuel Wilson, pemenang dari meatpacking business in Troy, New York. Selama perang tahun 1922 ini, Sam Wilson Company was granted apa ya? Mewariskan government contract to supply meat to the nation soldier. This meat was supplied to the army in barrels stamped Imperial US. Fish yang mana berdiri for United States. Sam Wilson iki tim Sam Wilson Company sudah mewariskan government-nya kontrak to supply untuk mendukung within the national soldiers. Oh ya, soldier. The Smith was supplied to the army in barrel stem with the initial US, yang mana berdiri for United States. Bagaimanapun, country was at the time relatively young and initial US were not commonly used. Many people bertanya-tanya nih, apa sih inisial itu? Dan standard reply became Uncle Sam. Oh, for the owner of the barrels is no general penerimaan. The feature of Uncle Sam in the basic of Samuel Wilson and the U.S. Corex has made its official by adopting a resolution naming Samuel Wilson sebagai inspirasi for Uncle Sam. Figure of Uncle Sam berdasarkan dari Samuel Wilson dan US Congress membuat official adopting resolution nama Samuel Wilson sebagai inspirasi. The paragraph predicting the basic most probably discuss the costume the Bald Eagle symbol United States. Well, the Bald Eagle is national, it's not only one. Oh, jadi gitu. Uncle Sam-nya yang dibahas. Hah? It's not only one. Berjenggot. Ketika bukan satu simbol nasional ya. It's not only. Jadi bukan ini. Sambil sam. Ya iyo juga enggak itu ya iki. Which of the following is the most appropriate for this specific? Uncle Sam, Samuel Wilson, and the US Congress membuat WIS sebagai adaptasi resolution. Lebih kemana sih? The Bald Eagle-nya enggak lah jelas. Symbol of the United Samuel, Uncle Sam. Kan Raita nih si Uncle Sam bla 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 bla. Tapi kalau ditarik kesimpulan the symbol of United the one national. Oh jadi kan lebih ke simbol gitu sih. The symbol of United States, symbol of the nation. Samuel Wilson and the US Congress has made it official. Kok perlu dicek lagi sih? Wish yang mana is not disebutkan he wears facial hair sing tidak disebutkan kan kayaknya sing sih his belt clothes have strip in them strip no kayaknya strip enak it's a belt of belt yo belt kan si Evelyn he wears menggunakan facial hair gak kulik sih. Sam Wilson was proprietor of the business a meat packing a company. Kayak itu meat meat. According to the basic was the barely stamped US. Menurut bacaan tersebut barrel stamped was the barrels. However, the country bagaimanapun distempelin sampai US, yang mana sebenarnya itu kan United States. Yes. Okay. What is the barrels? Barrels sih apa sih? Tong sih? Apa? Food. What was in the barrel stamped US? Apa sudah? Like gitu. Okay. This mean was supplied to the army in a barrel stamped with the initial US. Pertanyaannya, menurut bahasa what is the barrel adalah food for the army kan. Selesai.